This is a National Information Center statement. This is following message requested by Devonian Parliament, the Prime Minister, the Devonian King and Timuwu. No action is needed at this time. The international defense system has detected a large creature 500 nautical miles from the northern Cretabuis and eastern Mobian coast. All residents in the east and northern coast are advised to stay vigilant at time. No one is allowed near the coast at this time, for it's possible that a kaiju attack will take place. Stand by for more information on this developing situation.
Always happens. You guys argue, you fight over everything. Why? It's nothing that important.
Nothing that important. You don't understand.
It just...
No, I did this.
Yeah,
I filmed everything.
Who cares? It's a $100,000 award. Look, you're already at $500K. Who cares?
Do you even realize how big that fucking number is?
I do.
A civil authority has issued a civil emergency message for the following counties/areas. Mobius City, Utah, at 5:30 p.m. on July 14, 2021, effective until 6 p.m. Message from IPOSCAP. This is a emergency update from that was transmitted 2 hours ago. The international defense system has confirmed the kaiju to be Titanus Ghidorah, or also known to the public and on social media as Godzilla. Godzilla is a bipedal kaiju 192 meters tall, very jagged dorsal plates, long tail and brownish charcoal skin. He is currently heading south to the Mobian coast and moving south at 28 nautical miles per hour. It is believed that Godzilla is heading towards Great Central City. Mobius residents are advised to shelter in place and stay vigilant at this time.
TCPD and MCPD are evacuating civilians away from the coastal cities in the country of Mobius due to a possible kaiju attack, believed to be Titanus Ghidorah, or also known as Godzilla. Team UW is on the scene, staying vigilant on Godzilla surfacing in a few hours. We have Sonica, Tailsko and Knutsy for interview. Thank you Sonica, Tailsko and Knutsy. We now have on the phone with Chief Whalem, head chief of the Twisted Cops Police Department. Chief, do you have anything to say?
Yes, 3 of our officers are helping the city's police department with evacuations. We are making sure everyone evacuates the area, as Team W is remaining on the scene. We are just trying to keep everyone safe.
Thank you Chief Whalem. More information will be followed on this dangerous situation.
The civil authorities have issued a civil danger warning for Mobius City, UT, beginning of 7:30 p.m. and ending at 8 p.m. The following message is transmitted from the request of TCPD, MCPD, Team UW and the Mobian National Guard. It has been confirmed that Godzilla has surfaced on Great Central City and is believed to be heading towards the Abraham Cybernetics facility. It is unknown at this time the motives why all residents are advised to seek shelter now. This is an extremely dangerous situation and should be taken seriously.
Godzilla has surfaced and destroyed the Abraham Cybernetics facility. It is unknown at this time why Godzilla destroyed the facility. Several injuries and fatalities have been reported, believed to be in 7 to 14 deaths. Stay tuned for more information on this dangerous situation.
What'd you break this for?
I don't fucking know. Where'd you go, bitch?
No.
I'll goddamn play horseshoes with the motherfucking whore. Yeah. You've been framed, bitch.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Twisted Cops Police Department, Mobius City Police Department, Team Uwu and the Mobian National Guard. Godzilla has destroyed the Abraham Cybernetics facility. There are reports of several injuries and fatalities. Everyone within a 7-mile radius have suffered massive damage and the place uninhabitable for a few weeks due to Godzilla's heat ray. It contains nuclear radiation. Anyone who is exposed to the radiation will result in sickness or death. At this time, please stay in shelters until the all clear is given. This is for your own safety. Tails and Tailsco are currently communicating with Godzilla with their new device built to communicate with Godzilla and Titans. Godzilla motives are still unknown at this time. Stay tuned on this unprecedented situation.